Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's short guide video, I'm going to show you how to check battery health on your iPhone. To do that, go to settings on your iPhone and in settings menu, scroll down until you see the battery option. When you see the battery option, tap on that. And after you tap on battery, you can see all the details, how much percentage is used by certain apps and how much phone do you use at different times of the day. And to check your battery health, you have to tap on battery health, which is the second option from the top. And there you go. Maximum capacity, it's in peak performance capability. So this is how you check your battery health. And one thing I want to show you in this battery settings is low power mode. You can turn on the low power mode in this if you are not a gamer or heavy user of the phone. So turning on low power mode saves your battery life and closes all the background apps of your phone. So this is all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.